Hi kids, now we will learn how to write K. It's K. It's a capital A. K for kettle, K for kangaroo, K for key, K for knife. Now come to this page. First step is up to down standing line like this. Okay. Now second step is slanting line left. Now third step is slanting line right. Okay, now we will write go to the top, make a standing line. Now make a slanting line left, then slanting line right. Okay, now again go to the top and make a standing line up to down like this. Make a slanting line left and third step is make a slanting line right like this. It's capital K. One is standing line, then one slanting line left, then one slanting line right. Okay, so do this page student. Now come to this activity. यहाँ पर मैं आपको बनाना सिखा दे रही हूँ. Go to the top, make a standing line like this. Okay, now make a slanting line left, come to the middle and slanting line left, then slanting line right. Okay, now come to this activity. Circle all the big K's. This is a big K, then circle it. This is a big K, then circle it. This is a big K, no. This is a big K, no. This is a big K, yes, then circle it. Okay, now come to this. Complete the kites that have the letter K on them. मतलब जिन kites पर K लिख रहा है उनको हमको पहले complete करना है. Okay, first of all we will join these dots. Like this. Okay, then we will color in these kites. Now take a color. Which color is this? This is a yellow color. ऐसे ही आपको सारी काइट कंप्लीट करनी है स्टूडेंट. जिन काइट पर के लेटर लिख रहा है वो काइट कंप्लीट करनी है. ओके, सो कंप्लीट दिस काइट्स. सॉरी, नाउ कम टू दिस बुक. One standing line, K for kite. Then one slanting line left. Now third step is slanting line right. One standing line, slanting line left, slanting line right. Okay, One standing line, slanting line left, slanting line right. One standing line, slanting line left, slanting line right. K for kite. K for kite. K for kite. K for key. K for king. Okay. K for kettle. K for key. K for cake. K for king. Now complete these letters. Now come to this page. Trace the letter. One standing line, slanting line left, slanting line right. Copy the letters. One standing line, come to the middle, then slanting line left, slanting line right. One standing line, come to the middle, then one slanting line left and one slanting line right. Color the K for picture that stand for K. Key stand for K, so we will color it. Okay. B for book. This is not a stand for K. This is a kettle. Kettle stand for K, so we will color it. Okay student, इसे फिल कर लेना है आपको. Now complete this page student. Bye bye.